In this particular problem, two blocks of masses m1 and m2 are connected with the help of a spring of spring constant K. Initially, spring is at natural length. Now, a sharp impulse is given to mass m2. There is an impulse given to the block of mass m2 so that it acquires a velocity v0 towards right. If the system is kept on a smooth floor, then we need to find the velocity of center of mass and maximum elongation that the spring will suffer. So when sharp impulse is given, then according to conservation of momentum, this impulse, when the blocks move with same velocity, that is the velocity of center of mass. So from conservation of momentum we have m2 v0 is equal to m1 plus m2 into velocity of center of mass, or velocity of center of mass is equal to m2 v0 by m1 plus m2. This is the velocity of center of mass. This is the answer of first part of the question. Now, as sharp impulse is given to this mass m2, a certain amount of energy is also being transferred. Suppose the maximum elongation of the spring is x, so energy stored in the spring is half kx square plus, due to velocity of center of mass, the kinetic energy is half m1 plus m2 into vcm square, that is equal to the energy given during impulse, that is half m2 into v0 square. So here from we can write kx square is equal to m2 v0 square minus m1 plus m2 into vcm square. Vcm is m2 square v0 square by m1 plus m2 square. So here from it can be written as, if I take m2 v0 square common, it is 1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2, that is equal to m1 m2 v0 square by m1 plus m2. So here from maximum elongation, x is obtained to be under root m1 m2 v0 square by k into m1 plus m2. This is the maximum elongation of the spring.